How do I use the built-in email newsletter templates in LISTSERV Maestro? LISTSERV Maestro 10 offers a modernized and redesigned library of responsive newsletter and announcement templates, all of which can be used as is or customized for your needs without HTML coding. To make things easier and to save time, the first thing that you should do before using the templates is to store reusable elements like your contact information, logo, and colors. To do this, open the main menu and select the Personalized Contact Data option under Utility. Here you can enter commonly used content like your address, phone number, email address, website, and any other legal disclaimers that you want to use in your mailings. You can also upload your logo and define the color scheme for your organization, which will be useful if you decide to customize any of the templates later on. Now that we're finished, let's open a mail job and go to the content definition step to get started. The built-in templates are divided into two categories: announcement templates and newsletter templates. Announcement templates are simpler and contain just a single one-column content block. Newsletter templates are more elaborate and contain a combination of multiple content blocks and layout styles, including side-by-side columns or sidebars. To use one of the templates for your mailing, click on the thumbnail of your choice, followed by OK. You will now get to an easy-to-use HTML editor, which allows you to enter all of your content and images without any coding whatsoever. You will notice that the logo that we uploaded earlier is automatically included. Now you can simply enter or cut and paste all of your content and links. For the images, you can either point to an image on an external server, or you can upload it and have LISTSERV Maestro host it for you. All of the drop-ins in the template will be automatically replaced with the personalized content that we saved in the beginning. You can also add other drop-ins. For example, the social media sharing icons that we enabled in an earlier tutorial. You should also include a text alternative version for your mailing, which is always recommended. As with any other mailing, once you have gone through all of the steps of defining your tracking preferences, the sender details, and authorize the delivery, you can go back to the dashboard where you can access all of your performance metrics and assess the success of your mailing. Thank you for watching.